Here in Fresno, California, we just finished installing a Bradford white 40-gallon natural gas water heater. And you can see here, model number and serial number right there. You go to bradfordwhite.com, hit the register button, and get that warranty going on your water heater. Up at the top is some tubing coming out of the wall. This was done, I can't remember, about 8 years ago, the homeowner said. And so they ran plastic out of the wall. We don't like that. We don't do that. But it is what it is. So that's your plastic, your adapter, your copper. All we did there is solder a copper adapter on and give you a new valve. That way it's quarter turn on, quarter turn off. You know, so this guy, just shut it off, turn it on. You know, the piping moves in and out of the wall a lot, but that's not our installation. Same thing with this one. But so that already had an adapter on it right there, crimped on. So this is the BPEX. And of course, that's all crimped on over there. So brand new valve, brand new brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. And then on the hot side, just the Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass coupling and extension. We didn't have any 24-inch supply lines with this. Otherwise, we would use it. That's an 18. And so we just give you a little solid nipple. Brass flows great, and so does stainless steel. Brand new vent pipe coming in from your ceiling bucket. That's your pipe and ceiling bucket in the attic. Brand new piece of pipe and an offset 90 draft diverter. Temperature and pressure relief valves installed. For some reason they came in and cut the iron pipe out. It was stubbed out iron pipe 90. On this side they cut it, and that must have happened during the remodel. This is a new wall back there, the purple rock. So for some reason they just cut it off, which I don't know. Anyway, so we ran some copper here. I had a little bit of copper on the truck, so you can see I ran some copper from there. Ran it down up, got a couple straps in here, and then made a transition to Falcon stainless steel connectors. So these are full 3/4 inch inside diameter, so that works great for a drain line. It just goes over and down. Upper third, we have an adjustable strap. Lower third, we have an adjustable strap. Give you a brand new gas valve, also a brand new gas connector down to the controller. Right now, we've got it set at approximately 120, and you can see here scalding risk increases with hotter water. Hot is approximately 120, A130, B140C, 150 very hot 160, B140 third degree burns 3 seconds. If you're infant or elderly, 1 second, you're going to the hospital. So just be mindful of that. If you have anybody that visits on a regular basis, you know, grandbabies, or I don't know, someone brings their kids over, just be careful with that. So burner is lit, everything is looking good. You should have hot water on this side in about an hour. Outside of that, this installation is done.